Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAVO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and on today's tutorial I would like to present to you our impulse sealing tongues plus accessories HAVO Plast ISZ. In our installation example, we will be connecting the transformer, also known as wing, to a suitable power supply, here 230 volts. In the following, we will be connecting the sealing tongues to the transformer and secure the connection. We switch on and choose a suitable sealing time, for our example here, setting 4. The sealing tongues are now ready to use. Application is quite simple and intuitive. Just fill the thermoplastic pouch, place it between the heating bars, close the tongues, keep them closed until the cycle is finished and a little longer, then reopen and perfect sealing result. As optional accessory to our HAVO impulse sealing tongues, you see here the optional table clamp. It allows even more simple application by foot actuation. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip. Do you actually know our innovative Nanopack family, now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.